Hi, welcome back to the customizable dashboard video series. In the previous videos, we covered KPI graphs and bar and column graphs. In this video, I'll show you how to create a donut graph widget. Let's start by creating a new donut type widget. This widget will measure leads by source, showing the number of leads generated from different sources. I'm setting the widget type to a donut graph. For the source, I'll select leads. Under the Measure section, I'll count the leads, and in the Grouping section, I'll group the leads based on their source of origin. Here we have the Lead Source option. I want to place the legend on the right side, and I won't add any filters. I'm simply looking to see the number of leads generated through different sources. I'll set the time range to this year and add the widget. Now we have the total number of leads displayed based on their sources. For instance, we've generated 2,000 leads from the website, 13 leads from marketing, 63 from referrals, 48 from outbound, 248 from inbound, and 123 from partners. This allows us to clearly see how many leads each source has contributed. Next, I'll create another donut widget to display the region of the leads, which shows how many leads were generated in each region. I'll name this widget Leads by Region. Again, I'll choose the donut graph option. For the source, I'll select Leads. Under the Measure section, I'll count the leads, and in the Grouping section, I'll group the leads based on their region. I'll position the legend on the right and set the time range to this year. Now the widget shows that there are 13 leads from the North region, 1 from the South, 1 from the East, and 11 from the West. It's important to note that the count of leads will depend on the completeness of the data entered in your Leads section. When creating leads, make sure to fill out the region and source fields to ensure accurate numbers. That's all for this video. See you in the next one, and thanks for watching.